Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing the Fabfitfun unboxing for the summer box. So I am incredibly excited because we finally got their box and it's like the beginning of June, so that is so exciting because it's not even summer yet. So I'm incredibly excited that I got my box so early in the season. So thank you so much to Fabfitfun for sending me my box on time. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm super excited for this box because I have no idea what's coming in it and I have no idea what the spoilers are, and I didn't do any add-ons this month, so it's just getting what I would normally be getting in my Fabfitfun, and I actually have no idea. I have so many products that have been building up for the last little while that I need to test out and try for you guys, so those videos will be coming. I have just been in the midst of doing all of my $1 products, so if you guys haven't already tuned into that series, I will link a playlist right here for you guys, and it's definitely been interesting. But let's just jump on into this box. Okay, so the first thing that I see in this box is the little magazine that we get at the beginning of the month. So we got Fabfitfun. This is the Eva Longoria, who she calls her superhero. So this is like a magazine where you just like get just like standard magazine stuff, but then you also get all of the pricing for the products that you got in your box. So I'm gonna keep this out laying flat here so I can tell you guys the price for everything. Also, I finally got one. I didn't get one last season. I got an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. So I have like 3 of these now that I really should use. So HelloFresh is like a meal kit subscription box where they send you fresh products to your house for whatever you choose. So you can have dinner, lunch, breakfast, all of that stuff just like sent to your house, so that's really cool. So I have a couple gift cards now that I probably should use. The next thing that I see is You Deserve Some Fun. So this is a coupon code, I think. So pass this on to a friend who would love Fabfitfun. So this is, I believe it's a $15 off of your first box. So I will list this coupon code to somebody, whoever wants it. So if you guys are interested in trying Fabfitfun for $15 off, just send me a message and I will give you the code. So the first thing that I see in the box is paper. So let's open it up. Oh my god, this box looks so cute. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's so organized, so cutely and awesome. So I'm just gonna go by where my eyes gravitate for the first item. So the first thing that I see is a Eco London. So this is an I Do liquid eyeliner in the color black. So this retails for $22. So this is a $22 item and it's an eyeliner, and I am so happy that I finally got this because I needed a black liner so badly. I have been using my gel liner that I got in my BoxyCharm last year. So I think it was last June or July that I got this, and I've been using it since then, and I've really needed a liquid eyeliner, so I am really happy that we got this. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. So this is what it looks like. It is just like a standard black liner, and it has such a beautiful tip on it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I definitely will be using this in a video to come in the future because thank god I needed one so badly. So this is what the eyeliner looks like up close, and this is what the tip looks like. It is really perfect for me, and I'm really excited to hopefully do some good eyeliner now that I finally have a pen. The last time I had a liner like this, it was the I believe it was Tarte, the sex liner, the kitten sex liner or something, and I got in a subscription box and I ran out of it and I didn't repurchase it. So I'm super happy. So the next thing that I see in the box is Plant Stem Cell Science. So this is refining micro polish. This is what it looks like. So this retails for, so Intelligence Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. So this intelligent is right. The unique formula is curated with plant jojoba blends, which are plant-based, biodegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage in gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. So this retails for $57. So this is what it looks like. It's just a white bottle and it just says Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science, and you get 3.4 fluid ounces. So you get 100 milliliters, and it expires in 12 months from opening. So for $57 you get this, I believe it's like an exfoliator. So that's really cool. I love getting skincare products in subscription boxes. Another great thing about this product is it is cruelty free. It does have the no animal testing bunny on it, so that is really cool. So I will have to try that out for you guys in another video. So the next thing that I see in this box is Grace and Stella Spray All Day. So this is Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So far all 3 of my items that I've gotten this month in this month's box have been skincare or makeup related, and that is amazing because I love makeup subscription boxes, obviously, and I love skincare boxes. So this is by the brand Grace and Stella. So this retails for $25.95, and it is a calming and midday refresher. Just a spritz of this rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. So it's just like a facial spray, I guess. It's not like it's not a setting spray, I don't believe. It's just like to give your skin a boost in the middle of the day, or whenever you need it, you can wake up and spray it on your face. I don't know. So you get, it's actually quite a big bottle. That is really great. So you get 8.11 fluid ounces. So you get quite a bit for $25. That's really awesome. I'm curious what it smells like. So it does have a floral scent, but it's not very strong. So that is really great. So I actually am going to spray it on my face right now and see how I feel and what it does. So it does smell really nice. It just kind of smells like it's water, but like a hint of like rose. Like it smells like you stuck a rose up to your face, obviously, because it is a spray all day, a rose spray. So I don't think it really did anything to my makeup. It just kind of made my face wet. So I've never purchased anything like this before, so this is just like a hydration spray, and it smells really nice, and the smell doesn't linger or anything, so that's really great. So I don't usually wear makeup throughout the week. I only usually wear it when I am doing videos for you guys. So I don't wear makeup when I go to work, so this could just be a great spray to keep in my bag just in case whenever I'm working in my shop and my skin is super dehydrated and needs help, I may just keep this in my bag. So for $25.95, that's actually really great, and it smells really nice. So the next thing that I see in here is Burn 3 resistant bands. So I'm really excited for these ones. I knew this was coming because this is one of the items that I got to choose. I got to choose 3 of the items. I don't remember what the other things were, but I chose this one for sure. And I'm really excited to try these out at the gym. If you guys don't know, I go to the gym quite often. So I go with my girlfriend every week. So I'm really excited because she got the bands as well. So these retail for $34, and you get 3 bands. So it says, take your workouts to a new height with a set of resistant bands. Use these light, medium, and heavy bands individually or combine multiple bands to find your ideal resistant level. So they are resistant bands, so they look like this, and this, and this. So I'm assuming each one is a different resistance, obviously, and I'm gonna have to look up how to use these because I've gotten resistant bands in Fabfitfun before, but it was like a loop, and I don't actually know how these ones are going to work. So I'm gonna have to Google them and YouTube them, and then I will let you guys know in a future video what I thought of these. So for $34, you get 3 bands, which is really great. So it's really awesome. So the next thing that I see in the box is a gold box. So this is exfoliating foot mask. So this is by the brand Wish. So powerful, effective naturals, coconut milk, and verbena exfoliating foot mask. I've never really thought about exfoliating my feet besides when I go and get them done like pedicure or anything. So you get 2.5 fluid ounces. It is paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free. I can already smell the coconut oil coming off of this, and it's not even open, so it's probably gonna be very strong. So yeah, I can smell it coming off of it, and it's sealed. That's how strong of a coconut smell that this has. Okay, that's funny. Ugh. Probably don't want it in your mouth. It doesn't taste very good. It tastes like coconut, actually. It tastes exactly like coconut. Weird. But yeah, it is a very strong smell, and it is just a clear liquid. So the packaging, this is what the packaging looks like. It is just a very simple white bottle with a gold trim around it, and it tells you exactly what it is. So it is a exfoliating foot mask. It's for your feet, obviously. It is cruelty free, and it lasts for 12 months. So it is papain willow bark extract, polished pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, and lemon fruit extract. And it smells like coconut and it tastes like coconut. So this mask retails for $32 and it smells really great. So I'm gonna have to try it out in a separate video again. There's so many products in here that I'm just gonna have to try out in other videos because this video would get way too long. But I really like the packaging. The gold kind of shiny box is awesome. So the next thing that I see in the box is Generation Clay. So this is a brightening purple clay mask. So it's an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask and comes with a safety on it as well. I do not want to taste this one, so I'm just gonna pull it off with my fingers. Oh, my nails are too long. Okay, pray for me. So it is kind of like a gray mask. It's probably gonna go on purple, and it smells kind of spicy. It smells kind of like cinnamon. That's what I'm getting from this. So it smells like clay, but it also kind of has like a hint of cinnamon to it. So this is the ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. So let's see what it's supposed to do. So packed with Davidson plum, the purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration, and it retails for $39. So this is what the mask looks like. I'm really excited to try it out, so maybe I'll try it out for tonight for you guys and let you guys know in a video tonight what I think of it and how it works for $40. It's a pretty expensive mask considering I usually get most of my masks from Walmart for like $2 or $3. So I'm interested to see what a more expensive clay mask will do to my skin. So that is really cool. So the next thing that I see in this box is the blow dryer. I knew we were getting a blow dryer because we are also getting a blow dryer in the Lexi box that's coming in a couple weeks. So this is the Cetra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer travel size. So let me find it. So this retails for $60. And the box looks like this. So it is a travel size blow dryer. So I think my mom's gonna get a blow dryer and I'm gonna get a blow dryer because I believe we're getting two. So whichever color my mom likes the most is the color she'll probably take from me. Oh my god, I actually managed to open it without ripping the box. Go me. Okay, so this is a marble blow dryer. Okay, so my mom is probably gonna take this one from me because it's more of her style. She likes this white and black kind of no color whatever to it. So it has 120 volts and 240 volts. So you can plug it in, I believe, anywhere in at least Canada. I know you can. So this is what it looks like. It is a travel size blow dryer. It is actually really cute. It would be perfect for taking on vacations, for taking just like anywhere, me back and forth from my house to Kyle's house. This would be a perfect little blow dryer. I think it is absolutely cute, but I'm assuming my mom is gonna steal it from me. And then we also get like a little attachment to it, but it is really cute. I actually really like the color. The white and black is really cute, but I'll see what color I get in my Lexi box, and whichever one my mom wants is probably the one she'll take. But for $60, that's actually pretty nice. It's a blow dryer, so I'm assuming it works just fine. I won't demo it for you guys because it is literally just a blow dryer. It retails for 60 bucks, so that's really cool. I am running out of room. All right, the next thing that I see in here is invisible baubles. So this is an invisible bauble. I don't know how to say it. Invisible original duo pack. So this retails for $16, and this is for your hair, I believe. So to answer all your ponytail problems, the Revolution hair tool provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. So it's supposed to be like in your hair and you're not supposed to be able to see it, but I don't really care if people see that I have a hair tie in my hair because obviously my hair is up if I have a hair tie in my hair. I don't know. I think this is kind of gimmicky. I definitely do not like the style of this kind of elastic kind of hair tie. I find that this stuff rips my hair out quite often and it's going to aid in breaking, and I don't like it. So I'm assuming it's supposed to, so it says traceless, high wearing, comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking, updo tool. So I'll give it a chance. I'll give it a try. You get 6 of them, so that's really cool. I'll give it a chance, but I definitely do not usually gravitate to hair ties like this. I usually go for this standard hair tie like this, just because I always have it on my wrist and whatnot. So I'll give this a try. It retails for $16 and you get 6 of them, so that's really cool, and they are clear and and like a beige kind of color. But I'm assuming if you have like dark hair, like a brunette, like really brunette color, or really deep, like a dark black color hair, you're gonna see the beige. So I don't know, I don't really see how it's invisible. Anyway, that's my little rant. But I'll definitely give it a try and let you guys know what I think, but I definitely don't usually go for those things. And the last thing that I see in the box, this is the thing that I've been the most excited for. So this is a message board. So it is by the brand Xandra. So this retails for $35 and it is a message board. So it looks like this, and when I open it, it is like a standard, just kind of like, it's not chalk, it's like a fuzzy kind of material, and then you get a bunch of letters so that you can create messages on your board free. And I'm really excited because I got to pick this item, and I really want to put this message board like behind me somewhere so I can leave you guys little messages. Like, I know you guys can't really see this one because this one's pretty far away, and the writing that I have on it is like really gold and it's hard to see, but it says, "Make today your masterpiece." And I really wanted to incorporate another message board in here somewhere, maybe next to it, where you guys can actually see the letters, because they'll be white, so you guys should be able to see them. And maybe I'll just zoom in on it at the beginning of my videos just so you guys can see what it says, just because it's super cute. And I would like to leave little messages for the people that are watching my videos so that you guys can laugh at whatever random thing that I come up with. Like, my girlfriend sent me a message the other day, and it was it's something like, "A kiss a day makes my entire day," but I'll have to ask her what it said. It was really funny. It was something really cute that she sent me. But I'm really excited for this box, so I'm going to total up the entire total of this box for you guys, and I will leave it right here because the total value is between $270 and $468. So I'm going to total it up really fast. So if I've added this up correctly, I hope I have, I got a total of $320.95. So $320.95 in this box. I think that is really great, especially for only paying, I think it's like 60 bucks or something for this box. And I'm really happy with a lot of the products that I got. I got a lot of products that I'm gonna have to try out in future videos with you guys and play around with, and I'm just really excited. I think my favorite product that I got for the skincare makeup kind of side would definitely be the liner. I am incredibly excited that I got a black liner finally. Thank God. And then the next item that I think that I am the most excited for would be the message board. So I am really thankful that Fabfitfun is a subscription box and it's a thing. I highly recommend them if you aren't already signed up with them. Some of their boxes are a little, it is a little hit and miss sometimes. Sometimes you do get boxes where you're like, okay, I didn't really like anything in it, but the last couple boxes, I have been so blown away. Like, we got an entire teapot set one time, we got a diffuser last month, now I got this message board, these resistant bands, like I got some skincare items. I am just incredibly blown away by Fabfitfun, and I highly recommend them. Plus, they always send out like 15% or $15 off of your friend signing up for their boxes, and they send out like little meal kit, gift cards and stuff. It's just really great. So I highly recommend Fabfitfun if you aren't already signed up with them. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!